Bernard Nyagaka. I was in charge of conducting the elections of electing South West LSK officials. With me was Spora Mutiria, who was assisting me. And today we have concluded the exercise and we have put in office the chair and his team. Today, our chairperson who has been elected by members is Ben Gichana. Vice chair is Mireli, who was seeking an election, and she has been re-elected in office. Our new treasurer is Amani Mbunde. Our organizing secretary is Jared Oremo. Our secretary general is Maeche, and our Kisi representative is Joyce Nyandoro. Today, the exercise was being conducted at Kisi, Low Courts, Homa Bay, and Migori. Our team, we had a team at Migori and we had a team at Homa Bay. We started the exercise at 8, and with God's grace, we have concluded it peacefully. Here with me now is the chair, the incoming chair, and I thank the outgoing chair, Mr. Nyambati, for according us this opportunity to do this exercise. Now, I bring to you now our outgoing chair to say one or two words before the incoming chair addresses the media.
Outgoing council, let me take this opportunity to thank those who participated in the elections for today. Let me congratulate those who made it the new council. We wish them all the best. And as we had said in the morning, this is one of the best exercises we have ever conducted in terms of the elections, because you're not able to see any man of misbehavior since morning after this time that we have come to an end of the exercise. So let me take this opportunity, therefore, to invite the incoming chair, who's the chair-elect, to say a word on behalf of the incoming council. Then we'll be able to follow other logistics in terms of protocols, and this such a time we do the handing over.
Yes, I wish to take this opportunity to congratulate the elections committee who have conducted a very peaceful elections. And I also wish to congratulate the new team, including the vice chair, the secretary, the treasurer, organizing secretary, and the KC representative. I'm very grateful, and I wish to also congratulate my worthy competitor, Mr. Marocco, who has given me sleepless nights. And I want to confess, it's been really a tough fight, especially considering that they had a lot of energy. And I also wish to thank God that we have done this exercise peacefully. We have many challenges as a team. We shall sit down, probably give you another brief on the challenges that we shall do our agenda for the next 2 years. But I wish to be very brief and say that we have really done well. I wish to give a chance to my vice chair.
As you heard before, my name is Mireri Winnie, and I was seeking for the re-election of the position of the vice chair. I was the only one seeking this for the said re-election, and I do say thank you to the members who still trusted me to become their next vice chair. It was a very, very tough race because I only had 4 votes ahead of my worthy competitor. And to the incoming team, congratulations, and let us work together for the benefit of this particular society. Thank you.